What ones?
Last week we had the Madras.
Yeah.
And the Rogan Josh.
Oh, right.
And they were amazing.
They tasted really good.
They're both super. Well, thanks. I've got tastings on vegetable curry and spicy butter chicken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. How's that? You take a taste?
Butter chicken, please.
Sorry, there's something you say. So spicy butter chicken. So how'd you go with the?
Yeah, that was really lovely actually.
Yeah, good.
It's not that bad. Delicious.
So,
Yes. Oh, that's got a kick for me.
Yeah.
But I'll take the vegetable any day.
you like that one? All right.
Yum. That was really good.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so vegetable curry is
Oh my god,
not mild.
wow. Thank you. Oh my god. What is it? Just veggies? Veggie. Yum. Oh, yum. That's so good. Let me smell it. Oh my gosh. Yum. Yum. That smells so good. Oh my god.
The more yums you say on camera, the better.
Wow. Delicious. It's so good. That was really good. Thank you. Oh, no, give me another one.
Spicy butter chicken.
Oh my gosh, yum. Is this one spicy?
It's not too spicy. It's just I've got a normal butter chicken, but
Oh, yeah.
you're not finding that shocking.
She just smells.
Oh,
she can't
yeah.
Yum, that's really good. That's so good.
So what comes in the pack? Is it all of this stuff?
It's basically all the ground spices pre-mixed,
Oh, yeah,
whole
yeah.
spices, and
Yeah.
in some cases
Oh,
nut,
right, yeah.
nut meal.
Yeah.
Nut meal
Oh my
so.
gosh,
But and there's also a great
Yeah.
meat curry and vegetable curry recipe.
Yeah.
with it.
Yum, I really like the butter chicken. I might buy that mix. Is that it? Yeah. Thank you.
$6.
That was so nice.
So vegetable curry is a mild one.
Yep.
I'll serve you the next one properly.
That's really lovely.
Nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
And spicy butter chicken.
Oh, hello. You have a check. That's delicious.
That's the spicy butter chicken.
Oh, thank you.
So there's also a non-spicy one, but if you like a bit chilli, you're not going to find that too much.
I'm a bit chilly. Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Got a bit of kick.
It's got less cream, less butter than you get in a lot of spicy butter,
that's
butter chicken recipes, and no sugar in it. So
It's beautiful.
yeah,
It's got a nice little kick at the end.
yeah, good.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Thank you. So a bit mild then.
Yeah, it's delicious though.
Yeah.
So what are they worth?
They're $6 each.
Yep.
Yeah. They're worth 12. Only charges.
I like that.
Yeah.
No, just soil it. Yeah. So I should have 31.
Well,
I'll consult with the boss. She'll probably be keen on a vegetable one, I reckon.
yeah. Sorry, who's that? Who like the vegetable?
So I'll send the
Oh,
boss
okay,
her.
right.
She's-
Okay, yeah. All right. Well, thanks for trying
Thank
them
you
out.
very much.
Thank you. So, sorry, your partner said what? The vegetable curry was
amazing.
amazing. That's right.
Thank you very much.
Just that one? Is that cash or card? $6. You want to try the spicy butter chicken?
Yeah, I'll try that as well,
Yeah,
but we'll
good.
definitely get the veggie one.
Yeah, good.
Oh, good idea.
There you go.
Thank you. I think I like the butter chicken better.
You've heard about the chicken?
I mean, the veggie one is still
They're all great. I don't know why I ask people really.
Yeah, you don't need to.
I know, I don't need to ask people. I know they're great. So this is got a tomato base with chickpeas, sweet potato and spinach. I'm not sure you've got, you've been fiddled out the sweet potato and spinach there probably.
Thank you.
Oh, that's very nice. It's spicy, which is good for Steve. He loves
Spicy?
spice. What? No, it's that's the same. No, that's very nice.
Nice. Wait till you try this one.
Yummy, yummy. Can I get a baguette, please?
Okay, so this is a bit spicier. None of these are shoppers.
This is spicy herb.
But spicy butter chicken, sorry, I've
that's
got a
right.
bit messed up. So
No, that's fine.
let's give you that. There is a bit of Kashmiri chili pepper in one of them. So.
That's right. So, if you wanted to calm this down and just put less spicy.
Put more yogurt, more cream, or more both.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's it's got less
Does that go for the
cream.
vegetable as well? What would you put
With
in?
vegetable, I just put more tomato. Really. In fact, I cooked that last night and I put in double the tomato. And it knocked the kick out of it, so I had to recook it.
It's really nice. Both of them, I like.
Well, Steve likes everything
I like a bit of
hot,
spice.
so he's happy,
Yeah.
really happy with that.
Well, look. Right, so we're starting with the vegetable. This is vegetable.
Oh, thank you.
So it's quite mild, that one. So if you pick a spoon there.
Yeah, that's good. It is mild, that one.
A bit mild for you, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, try that one.
Let me use that spoon.
Right. I mean, if you're, I mean, we're getting a bit spicier now, but this is order of spiciness. The vegetables down here. This is where it starts getting a bit more spicy.
That's nice. With that in mind, buying a coconut fold. Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
grab one of these.
Just one of those. That's $6.
Oh, it's nice.
Do you want a bag for that?
No, it's okay, thank you.
So now you pay cash. Yeah, thank you very much. $6 then. Oh, sorry.
You're right.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's the kids like that. It's
Yeah,
just,
yeah.
You've got a bit of spice in it, but it's not as spicy as vegetable. I don't
Yeah.
think.
I'll just load those up with yogurt if it's a bit.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, great.
Oh, that's
Right,
excellent.
thank you very
Well,
much.
if it's any good, I'll see you next week.
Thank you. Well, I will. I'll see you next week then,
Alright,
sir.
no worries.
Okay, so what am I feeding the family here?
Yeah.
How'd you go with the vegetable curry?
Yeah, it's nice.
Bit mild?
Yeah, it's sort of peppery.
And there's your that's spicy butter chicken. There are a couple of Kashmiri chili pepper bits in there, but they're not too. They're not going to upset you.
Spicy?
They're too spicy. Well, there's the normal butter chicken there.
So do you want to try that one?
Yeah.
Do you want the tikka masala or do you want the vegetable? What do you want, Brad?
So there's been down there.
That's right. I like it. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
A little nice kick to it.
That's the spicy
Spicy,
one.
yeah.
So you want to try with 2 or with more? Just those, please. Are you here often or? is it
I'm
first
here
time?
every week now.
Oh, okay. Good.
Just started. So,